What's up, guys? It's your boy Tristan, and today we are going to be playing Roblox as a noob. Don't judge me. I'm playing as a noob. I'm playing as a noob. First time. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to go in a random game. Shinobi Life is my favorite game personally. This is not my real account. My real account is Tristan B13. I'll just show it for you real quick. I have two accounts actually. I'll show you my first account that I made. Yellow Swag. I know that name is stupid, right? Don't judge me, please. Yellow Swag. I'm actually. Oh my gosh, what happened to it? What happened to my account? I'll just search up Tristan real quick and see if it shows. Okay, Tristan B12. My account. Yeah, this is my account right here. What I'm wearing is all from Tiger. As you can see from my bio, ex-Mrs. Chassis, girl I just met and it's a dare, so I'm going to be a girl for a day. Which I did, if you remember. I dressed up as a girl. I have so much stuff. So this is my sister. I'll show you if I win. I just need to get to the video. I'm sorry, guys. Guys, I just want to show you because most of the people on my channel wanted to friend both my accounts. So yeah, Yellow Swag. Oh, I'm so dumb. Go on it. All you see is right here. Yeah, but what you see is right there. So now let's play a game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, and 20. This is dumb. Natural disasters. I'm gonna be giving people free Robux too. Guys, I'm gonna take this time to talk that Roblox has officially banned all of my accounts. That's why I had to use this new account. Bunch of Robux. I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of Robux. Yeah. Should I actually accept a friend? I have 0 friends. I want to keep it that way. Oh, never mind. I have a friend now. I'm just waiting for our next game and to see how we're gonna be playing. Oh, I don't have 27, but I have 26, and my name is not on here. Are we supposed to be there? Wow. Wow.
So you didn't know
I told you.
So log out.
Because my mom is on right now. Guys, I'll just show you one round. Does anyone? Let's do dogs. Does anyone want Robux? So someone just asked for Robux. Guys, don't put my hoodie on. No, I actually like it. I just want to show you guys around before I actually have to end the video because my brother has to do his homework. He's not going to the library, and I'm just trying to record, guys. If you guys haven't seen my stream yet, shout out to Attack on Titan, my favorite anime. Yay! Look what he said. He'll trick you. Don't trust anyone. He said I'll trick you. Don't trust. That's dumb. Oh, what is this? I don't even know how to pronounce it. Yeah, I'm playing.
Shit, I need to start, dude. Give me it.
So it's interesting. You have to see what it is first. Oh, that's smart. I'm at higher ground. Oh, they're dumb. They're jumping off. They're all gonna die. Hello. How do I get Robux? How do I get Robux like you? Is the building collapsing? Tsunami is coming. Tsunami is coming. The tsunami is coming. Oh yeah, I fell. Let's go back in. Wow! How? What? I died. Wow. The point of this video is playing games as a noob. I'll go into the next game. Epic mini games. I at least get to play like 3 or 2 rounds. Boy, my nails are so. My nails and fingers are ashy. 38 seconds, avoid being sliced. Did I not even? What is this always? Okay. My other account is level 41. So. I have all the custom perks. I have all the pets. I have this. Double coins. I even have the lightsabers. I forgot this controller. Digital scissors. Yes! This one.
Give me the laptop, dude. It's gonna take hours to finish. Give me it.
So, that'll be all, guys. Like, subscribe, and peace.